spectrum. And therefore, you will see and hear from some of the thought leaders with respect to some of these schematics, whether it's our digital journey, which is being very important, because, Your Highness, there are two areas which the Prime Minister is leading himself and does stock taking on a weekly basis. One is our taxation reform and everything that is going on in terms of people, process, technology to get the sort of the fiscal side of things moving forward, because all the business leaders who are sitting here, they are correct in terms of the additional burden that they face in terms of the formal sector, because other segments of the society are not stepping up the way they need to. And therefore, we need to fix that equation through primarily technology, but also simplifying the processes and making the necessary people changes. And the second one, which is leading, Your Highness, is our digital journey and moving towards cashless economy, because both of these are actually interrelated. We have an economy which is the size of $411 billion, but to put it in perspective, about 40 to 50% of our economy is still undocumented. So if you think about it, actually the size of our economy is already reaching close to $1 trillion. So the more we move towards the cashless economy and our digital journey, the more we sort of help the documentation and moving stuff into the formal economy. So Your Highness and the delegation, I leave it with you and the thought leaders from Overseas Chamber and the Pakistan Business Council. I wish you all well, and Your Highness, safe travels here in Pakistan. I know you're traveling to Lahore later today. I'm sure you'll receive fantastic welcome there as well. And look forward to seeing the delegation, inshallah, with the Prime Minister when we are there in Riyadh for the FII. With that, my very best wishes to everyone and for constructive engagement for the rest of the morning. Thank you very much.
बराह मुलाज़ा फरमा रहे थे वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब कराची में ओवरसीज़ चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स थे, वर्चुअल खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि सरमायाकारों की हिफाजत हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। तमाम मुआशी अशारिये मस्बत रुझान ज़ाहिर कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि IMF की सालाना मीटिंग के लिए आज रात वाशिंगटन रवाना होंगे। नाज़रीन, कौमी असम्बली का इजलास जारी है। अब बराह रास्त मुलाज़ा फरमा रहे हैं।
10 and Sindh में 1135. So the grand total which the students went through the training was 7,000.
मैं ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स साहिबान से कहूँगा आपके पीछे खड़ी हो के कुंडी साहब आपके पीछे खड़ी हो के जवाब दें जी।
Sorry. Total was 7,555 in aesthetic was done in all these provinces. Then the agriculture was Balochistan 535, ICT